Titchfield High is represented by Romaine Smith, Jamani Parkinson, Quayne Smith, and Alex Anderson. And Manchester High is represented by Matthew Dunkley, Kamali Ferguson, Antonia Wheatley, and Raheem Dunn. Hello everyone. Welcome to the deciding match in this quarter-final series. Titchfield High won the opening match by 2 points, but Manchester High turned the tables in the second, winning by 5 points to level the series. So tonight, it's win or go home for either team. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. The quarter-finalists have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move into the semi-final round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and Titchfield High won. They decided to go first, and so we begin with Titchfield High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. And Titchfield, we begin with principles of business. What is the name of the written document showing a business's core activities, objectives, and a roadmap to achieving its objectives?
Prospectus.
Incorrect. Business plan. And Manchester High, principles of business. What is the name of a financial statement that reports a company's assets, liabilities, and shareholder equity?
Balance sheet.
Correct. Titchfield, international affairs. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Westmore.
Incorrect. Kofi Annan, former UN Secretary General. International affairs for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
No. Sutherland. Patricia Sutherland. No. Scotland. Patricia Scotland.
Correct. Titchfield, Bible knowledge. In the Old Testament, how old was Joseph when he died?
110 years old. 110 years old.
Correct. Manchester, Bible knowledge. In the Old Testament, which two chief servants of Pharaoh had their dreams interpreted by Joseph in prison?
The chief. The baker and the chief butler.
Correct. Music for Titchfield. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Rough money.
Incorrect. Mama Africa. Peter Tosh. Music. Manchester. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Johnny be good? Yes. Johnny be good.
Correct. Good. Biology for Titchfield. What are the two main blood proteins in the human body?
Blood proteins. Hemoglobin and oxyhemoglobin.
Incorrect. Albumin and globulin. And biology for Manchester. What are the two main female reproductive hormones?
Estrogen and progesterone.
Correct. Titchfield, theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Will Ferrell.
Is it Ferrell or Farrell?
Will Ferrell.
Correct. Manchester, theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Martinique Sanders.
Incorrect. Emma McKee. And English language for Titchfield. What figure of speech is used in the sentence? He was as brave as a lion.
Simile.
Correct. English language, Manchester. What figure of speech is used in the sentence? Joy heard the last piece of pie calling her name.
Personification.
Correct. Sports for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Lennox Lewis.
Incorrect. John Barnes. And sports for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Ewing. No. Patrick Ewing.
Correct. General knowledge, Titchfield. Cynophobia is the extreme fear of which animals?
Dogs.
Correct. General knowledge for Manchester. What is an intense fear of sleep called?
Somnophobia.
That should be somniphobia. phobia. Incorrect.
Next one.
Spanish for Titchfield. What is the English translation of ¿A dónde deberíamos ir a comer?
Where should we go to eat?
Correct. Spanish for Manchester. What is the English translation of Vamos a trabajar juntos?
So, let us go to work swiftly. Let us go to work swiftly.
No, we're going to work together, or let's work together. Information technology for Titchfield. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Titchfield High on 5, Manchester High on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Quarter-final action in Schools Challenge Quiz 55 returns right after these messages.